Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Careeraddawithsangram, and today we have a new job update from HSBC company. And as you all know, it's a multinational bank, and if you have completed your graduation, post-graduation engineering, so you can apply for this role. It's a full-time role, and work style they have mentioned hybrid working. It means 3 days you have to visit office and 2 days you can work from home. Location they have mentioned Bangalore, and area of interest is operations. They have mentioned the date also. So opening date is 4th March and closing date is 18th of March. So before 18th of March you should apply for this role if you are interested to apply for this role. Okay, so today it's 8th March and today I am publishing this video just to check these all details and apply to this job as soon as possible. So here they have provided all the details like job description, and they have directly mentioned that it's a data and analytics role. So if you are comfortable with Python, Power BI, SQL, Tableau, then you can apply for this role because these are very important tools and technologies for data analytics. Here they have provided some key points like data governance, data insights and innovation, data quality monitoring and remediation. And here in job description area they have mentioned some points which you have to read before apply to this job. In the skills area they have mentioned some technical skills like SAS, SQL, VBA, Unix, R, Python, CRM tools like Pega, BI tools, data technologies. So you can gather these all information from this page, and based on that you can apply for this role. Here they have provided some non-technical role like customer stakeholder role, service delivery. So these are very important, and as you are applying for a data analyst role, your reporting skill and articulation skills should be very good. In requirements area they have mentioned eligibility criteria, which is bachelor's or master degree from reputed university with specialization in numerical discipline and concentration in computer science, information system or other engineering specialization. Okay, so this is very important. So if you are meeting the criteria based on the requirement, then you can apply for this role. So these are all the job details, and I will provide you the job link in the description area so that you can read everything. And I will recommend you to update your resume based on the job requirement because it will increase the scope of getting selected for the interview process. So please update your resume and then apply for this role. To apply for this role, you just need to click on the apply button. After that, it will ask you to create a profile. Once you successfully create the profile, you can get the form. You have to fill up the form, attach your resume, and you can apply for this role. So if you face any issues, any problem during apply, then you can ping me on Instagram or you can comment below so that I can check and resolve the issue as soon as possible. And if the video is helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe the channel for daily updates, and also share with your friends and family members who are looking for a new job. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.